You see this? I try what thing they call that guy. Any deal, that guy no go escape my. I go make sure I say I put you anywhere where I see him. Imagine. Say I allow person because I allow you to be coming into our house. You eat my food, you do everything. Waiting.
Brother, so wait there here they talk to yourself.
See, don't make me repeat what I've been saying. Leave me alone now. What is it?
You get something where they give us for school. The thing don't they bother me. I don't know how I want to do them.
See, this year school people, they won't make my brain. Not the time I go to. Not let me be education. What thing again this time around?
If education, you know book now. So I want to ask you. They say 2 plus 2 minus 7 divided by 5 equals to dash and dash. Find x and y.
Find like. See, you see that school, you go come up for that. Because I still say now, the assignment when they give you, know they have. Which one be say find S and Y? You yourself, you don't know where to find S. Eh?
I don't know now.
So you don't sabi ABCD. If you do the ABCD, reach where S, you carry them. To you remember. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You go reach where S, they. You put S, India. They here they ask me, no disturb me again. No.
So you want to make I count A, B, C, D. If I reach S, Nrebe S.
Iburia. Tumuye.
I told me at Tinozuo.
One.
Hey. Then why ain't come?
You sure say you be my sister?
But I won't know now.
Eh? No be SY. If you reach where the Y there, you carry Y. No disturb me again. What do you want you?
Brother, yeah, no. If I reach there now, on total why? Into your
You don't disturb my brother and they think of another thing.
It would that you no book.
Education.
No book.
Education no way.
Well, thank you. And
Jode go right, Jare.
yeah. Totally exosbo.
Ozubo na ga for S with the Y. You think
it would that you
100 over 100. I'm not going to do it, but I can't do the school now. Even your teacher self no book. They ask you where is Y, where is Z. Nonsense. Imagine. Eh? Okay, sorry. You must die, this boy. See, okay? If you know this boy, go and tell him people to go and dig his grave. He will jump and pass that grave. And he will not die. He will jump and pass.